Welcome to our Rekha's Diary channel. Today I will share you the experience about blue-eyed pug. I am happy to share you that I have adopted a male pug 10 months again in the age of only 42 days from its 5 brothers and sisters. In the time of adaptation, I was not aware about its blue eye. But after its 3 months, I noticed the matter. In this video, I will share 0 to 6 months about it. We are given the name Rocky, so its name Rocky. It taken birth in an aristocrat family, so it nurtured in a pampered manner. Now introduce you this photo. Rocky's dad and mom. Mom is so special for his long tongue. Mom name Poco. This is Poco's adopted mom, so called Rocky's grandmom. This is 5 brothers and sisters of Rocky. Names Dudo, Nemo, Kutus, Puchu and Rocky. When it was born, the same to other pug puppy, same color, same manner, same behavior, same feeding style. As early days, Rocky as normal as other pug puppy, no differences have seen. 31 days, they started dog food. 35 days, Rocky first started hold or chewing a cotton ball. It is so different than other brother and sister. It was advanced than other. In the 40 days, Rocky's gentlemanly behavior that brothers are fighting each other but Rocky don't fight and just hold them. That is very good. 42 days, Rocky come to our family and first day stay with Anurag normally, no hesitation. And that day night sleep quite normal. Now new family and new bed. From the first day, Rocky move here and there in this home and it thinks its own home and cool and normal behavior at that time. In this new family, Rocky's so-called brother Anurag, mom and Rocky, dad and Rocky. Mom is very happy with Anurag and Rocky and love both of them very much. Rocky always like to rest in lap. His automatic choice mom and mom's lap. He likes to rest in lap, sleep with mom. Also like play with brother and stay his new bed. And like to stay with brother when brother was reading. He likes to taking sun bath. Rocky always liked to play on the roof. His first preference to go on the roof. In 2 months age of Rocky, we have seen his gentlemanly behavior and calm and cool attitude. When he was playing with a human baby, but he play its own mood and another doll, he does not disturb the baby. He always maintain the distance. We have seen already this gentlemanship of Rocky at the age of 40 days. At the age of 3 months, we have noticed his blue eyes, and first he wear a ghanta his neck and he trying to hold it and chewing it. At the age of 3 months, we are trying to train the Rocky following commands like sit down, stand up, handshake, walking, etc. To you. That time Rocky enjoyed the dead birthday party and cool attitude. Happy birthday to you. Come. আবার এসো, আবার এদিকে এসো। Come. Rocky, come. 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 Good boy. Come. Come here. Rocky, come here. Come. Good. Handshake করো। Handshake. লাফাচ্ছো কেন? Handshake করো। Rocky, handshake করো। এই তো বাহ। এবার দাঁড়াও। Rocky, sit down করো। Sit down. বাহ। শোনা। এবার Rocky, stand up. এই তো stand up করো। Stand up করো। Stand up. Rocky, stand up. এই তো বাহ। Very good. After 4 months, that means in the 5 months, he sits properly and gives cute pose and also like to rest in mom lap and very cute attitude. Give the cute pose. Nice looking. Properly stand up, properly sitting, and very cute eyes, that is blue eyes. In 6 months he takes bath first time. In this 6 month he likes to hold the bottles and walking to holding and chewing or biting the bottle. He likes to play with a bottle. Most important thing I want to share with you about blue-eyed pug. That is, blue-eyed pug up to 6 months most of the time suffers cough and cold problem. So we take care very much, and he liking to human touching and to sleep the human bed. Sleep well in human bed. Liking to kiss very much. They are very soft-hearted pug. Food habits. From 1 month, eat Cerelac like Pop Start up to 6 months. After 3 months, you may give him homemade food like boiled rice, carrot, beans, fruits like banana, apple. They like to feed milk, eat sweet biscuits with milk. Most important things, give vaccine time to time like first vaccine 45 days to 60 days. Keep them neat and clean area for their good health, and they also like to clean area. Give meal 4 times like 8 a.m., 12 noon, 4 p.m., 8 p.m. This early age 4 times meal is essential. Normally they drink water after 4 months. Please don't them pressure before it. It is not good for their health. They are very sensitive, get fear quickly. Up to 12 months they learn, but 3 to 6 months they learn quickly. Blue-eyed pug learn very quickly than other pug and very intelligent and very sensitive. Please be careful and take care very much than other. Chewing habit like soft toy, rubber ball, cotton, etc. that is normal. Usually they do urine and potty after taking meal. So for training urine and potty for the particular place, so after taking meal is very important. That time we can train him. Blue-eyed pug easily and very quickly trained their urine and potty, and they do the particular place urine and potty. For their good mental health, go outside at home and play with them. Thank you for watching this video. Next video I will share you liking and good habits of blue-eyed pug. Thank you.